There are some key strategies for marketing your home if you want a quick sale and an offer that's higher than your asking price. And I'm about to show you what these key strategies are. Hi, my name is Jeff Rapson with Coco Early Associates. Over the last 5 years, I've listed and sold dozens of homes that have generally sold at the seller's asking price or higher. My success comes from getting to know you and your home. Identifying your expectations as the homeowner comes first in my home selling process. Over the last 6 homes I have recently listed, the range of time on the market ran from 3 days to just under 30. In the 3-day example, we had several offers well over asking. The eventual winner was $30,000 over asking and a near-term closing in just 2 weeks. So how can we replicate similar results for your home? Well, you see, property features are key. That is why one of my main focuses will be to help you identify your home's amenities that give you the greatest marketing advantage. We'll sort out what differentiates your home from others on the market that buyers may consider, and we'll deal honestly with any problems or concerns regarding your home. I have a team of professionals such as photographers, stagers, landscapers, and handymen that can help repair or dress up your home for a maximum return. Preparation is critical to your success. We'll talk about how to manage possible objections, inspections, and appraisals. Better still, I will teach you how to appeal to the broadest spectrum of home buyers. If your property shows well, your home will sell faster and generate more interest, and most importantly, more bids. This exclusive approach to real estate marketing will give your home the marketing reach and influence needed to maximize its value. My job is to identify the right buyer to get your home the strongest offer. Discovering what motivates them to close and what's involved in the nature of their financing is key. Quite simply, it gets down to risk reduction for you and timely close for all parties. Minimizing any issues that might arise in the due diligence period is critical. I'll help with that too. We want to find the buyer that is most inspired to move with the least amount of risk. And if this all sounds good to you, I'd like you to click the link right below this video and get in contact with me ASAP. Simply go to the next page, provide some contact details, and then schedule a call with me and my team, where we will provide you a proven sales roadmap and evaluation pricing range for your home, all at no cost to you.